Hello, we're Team 5, and our team members are Danny, Suhng, Miranda, and Chelsea. For our Project 2, we created testing protocols for participants to fill out and get feedbacks. With our 3 sprints, we were able to make changes every time and validate our solution towards the root problem. And our root problem is, students who live off campus find it difficult to find reliable and consistent parking due to the limited number of spots and a short window of time for parking in an unpaid spot. And here's Jenny. She is a student at Purdue. She lives off campus, so she has to drive her car to her classes. Since there's lack of parking space in the campus, she's expecting a solution for parking problems. Before we created our solution, we came up with design requirements, and mainly it has to be in ways accessible to students and easy to use while driving. And here's our solution. Our team was able to create a solution through this platform called Figma. We decided if the user provides the class schedule, then Waze can route the user to a parking spot nearby the class building. In order to upload the schedule, user will click on My Waze, and there is a section called School where the user can upload the class schedule. There are 2 options for this task. Users can decide if they want to manually input the classes or provide a calendar link that has all of the classes. Let's start with I have a link option. There's a text box where users can paste the calendar link. They can also choose these options where Waze will show unpaid parking, paid parking, or both. After the user clicks on Done button, Waze will show the confirmation screen and the user can finally submit the schedule. If the user wants to manually input the classes, user can choose this option. Users can type in the name of the class and search the location of the class building. They can also choose day and time of the class and set the repeat option for recurring events. There are also 2 toggle buttons for what type of parking spots the user wants to find. After manually inputting the classes, Waze will show the confirmation screen. Now the schedule is uploaded, let's find the parking spot. If the user drags up the menu bar, there's a button called School. And this will route the user to the closest parking spot to the class building. Once the user has arrived at the designated parking spot, user can set the timer to avoid getting tickets. And Waze will notify the user when the timer is up. With our solution, not only users won't have problems in finding a parking spot, but also they can avoid getting tickets by setting a timer. Each team member was able to find the respondent for our testing protocols, and we were able to receive positive feedback and parts where we can improve on. Respondents wanted us to add offline notification pop-ups, add color features for scheduling, make the timer setup simpler, adjust the schedule input system and set up class options for users, and add confirmation page on each step. However, overall, respondents had a great experience with our solution. Our solution was simple and easy to comprehend. 2 types of schedule uploading is great, self-explanatory and instructions are easy to follow, and finally, fulfill the needs of finding parking spots. Thank you for watching, and this was Team 5's Project 2 presentation.